Hey everyone, it's Brienne from My Recipe Magic, and today I'm bringing you Dollar Tree Food Finds Cold Foods. So I never knew that the Dollar Tree carried frozen and refrigerated foods. That was something I just recently learned, and it's probably because not all of them actually carry the frozen and refrigerated section. It's only certain stores. So I actually live within about 5 miles of 4 different Dollar Trees, and I only found one that carries the frozen and refrigerated foods. So if you happen to be lucky enough to live close to one, then you'd better go check it out, because I found some really fun stuff. I was pretty excited about it. So lucky for me, it was a beautiful day to go to the Dollar Tree, and the frozen section is at the back of the store. So the first section I want to talk about was quick meals. They have microwave dinners, there's banquet and Michelina, different kinds of personal pizzas, bagel pizzas, egg rolls, there's like cheese sticks, kind of like party food. I got one of these 3 packs of these mini pizzas. They're perfect for like an after school snack. There were also burritos and chimichangas, like the big ones in different flavors. There's Hot Pockets, you can get whatever flavor you want, frozen sandwiches, all kinds of good stuff. Okay, so my next section is meat, and I cannot believe all of the meats that they carried in their frozen section. There was so many. There was chicken, drumsticks, and thighs. I found boneless pork riblets. There was even a ribeye steak, if you can believe it. They have popcorn chicken, as well as like the Jennie-O turkey burger, just like a single patty. They also had seafood, popcorn shrimp, tilapia, as well as salmon. They also carry a whole bunch of different hot dogs and like deli meats. I can't believe how many different kinds of like sausages and hot dogs they had. They do come in the 12-ounce package, so they're a little bit smaller, but for our family that would actually work. Sometimes the other packages are just too much for us. My next section is frozen fruits and vegetables. I was pretty impressed with their selection of frozen vegetables. They even had some of the steamables. I also liked the variety packs. We love the winter blend and California blend, and those are in pretty good sized packages. They also had frozen asparagus, which can be really expensive, so that was pretty cool. They also had a really nice assortment of frozen potatoes, and they were in pretty decent sized packages. There's the name brand that were at Fry's, or else these hash browns came in like a 22-ounce bag, as well as mashed potatoes. I thought that was kind of fun. And then they do carry some frozen fruit, which I was excited about, and they had these little like smoothie packages that you could make smoothies with. So my next section is breakfast foods. Now they had all kinds of breakfast foods that I honestly didn't even know were out there. There was things I'd never seen before. Their waffles, we actually tried. We usually try the Eggos, but we did these kind, and they were super good. My girls couldn't even tell the difference. They really liked them. So that was a thumbs up. There's also just a single size of this English muffin sandwich, or there's a French toast breakfast. All kinds of cool stuff. Of course, can't forget the bacon, turkey bacon no less, and sausage. These French toast sticks looked awesome. And then, of course, I had to try this Cinnabon. I thought I'd show you that this is what it looks like when they come. It's just in this little package, and you just stick it in the microwave for like 45 seconds. And then you take it out and stir it around, and it's like the perfect little treat when you want one. So good. My next section is snack foods, or kind of like side dishes. They had this Texas toast, and there were 6 slices of it, or these cheesy breadsticks. I thought those would be fun. You just stick it in the microwave. We are huge pretzel maker fans at our house, so I really wanted to try these pretzel bites. All you do is like heat them up in the microwave, and then we just got like some melted butter and dipped it in the butter and the cinnamon sugar, or like Parmesan. You can dip it in pizza sauce. We really liked them. My kids were way excited. The This is something I hadn't seen before. It was these dilly bites, and basically all it is just like a pickle that's just been cut up. So kind of nice to take like a snack on the go. They also had Lunchables, the Armor Maker kind, and then just some other random things that I thought were interesting. Next is dairy foods. I was surprised at all of the things that they had in their dairy section. They had these little 4-packs of yogurt that are kind of small. They'd be perfect for like lunch boxes. You can get eggs at the Dollar Tree. Who knew? There's also vegetable oil spreads, sour cream. They have all kinds of cheeses. There's cheese shreds, there's cheese slices, there's cheese sticks. Gotta love cheese. Last but not least is frozen treats. I saved the best for last. They have some awesome frozen treats. We tried these Italian ices and these ices, like a 4-pack, and they were really yummy and they'd be perfect on like a summer day. We actually tried these Sour Patch popsicles. I was a little nervous about it, but my kids liked them. They said they were really good. Gave us a thumbs up there. They had these cream puffs, which, you know, they come frozen, so all you do is let them sit out for 30 minutes if you can wait that long, and they were really good. They had these individual slices of the Edwards pies, and then at the front of the store, they have little bins with different kinds of frozen treats in them, like this tiny ice cream. That is all I have for you today for my Dollar Tree cold food finds. I obviously didn't show you everything that they had, so make sure you go check it out yourself and then let us know what you find. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos, and thanks so much for watching.